Then next, division of integers. Then division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Then a positive integer divided by a positive integer, answer is positive. Positive integer divided by positive integer, answer is positive. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive integer. Then a negative integer divided by negative integer, answer is positive. Then negative integer divided by a positive integer, answer is negative. Then positive integer divided by negative integer, answer is also negative. Is it clear? Positive divided by positive, answer positive integer. Negative divided by negative, answer is positive integer. The negative integer divided by positive integer, answer negative integer. Then positive integer divided by a negative integer, answer is negative integer. Is it clear? Then for example, positive 6 divided by 2. What is answer? Positive 3. Then positive 27. 27 divided by 9. What is answer? 3. Positive 3. Then negative 45 divided by negative 9. Negative 45 divided by negative 9 is equal to, what is answer? Positive 5. Then negative 8 divided by negative 4. What is answer? Its answer is positive, means negative divided by negative, positive. Positive divided by positive, answer also positive. The next, a negative integer. Negative 10 divided by positive 2. This one is negative integer, other is positive integer. So its answer is, what is answer? Negative 5. Answer is negative 5. Then negative 18 divided by 3. Negative 18 divided by 3, what is answer? Negative 6. Then positive 48 divided by 6. Negative 6. Positive 48 divided by negative 6, what is answer? Its answer is negative 8. Then 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8, what, negative 8, what is answer? Negative 9. Is it clear? The next, any integer a divided by 0. For a divided by 0, what is its answer? Do you know? This answer is, its answer not defined. Then 0 divided by a. 0 divided by a is 0. Means a is not equal to 0. It's clear? The next, an integer divided by 1. An integer, any integer divided by 1 means a divided by 1 is equal to, we get answer a. For example, 48 divided by 1. What is answer? We get that same integer, 48. Then 37 divided by 1. What is answer? 36. 7. Any integer divided by 1, we get that same integer. Then next, any integer a divided by 1. So negative 1. What is its answer? Its answer is negative a. For example, negative 27. Negative 27 divided by which number? Negative 1. What is its answer? Its answer is positive 27. Then 46 divided by negative 1. What is answer? Negative 46. Is it clear? The next, properties of division of properties of division of integers. First property, closure property. Then integers are not closed under division. Integers are not closed under division. And next property, commutative property. Then division is not commutative and also division is not associative. Is it clear? Then next, division is not associative and division is not commutative. Then next, you take your textbook, exercise, you look. Is it clear? Means integers are not closed under division. And next property, commutative property, means division is not commutative. Then associative, division is not associative. Then next, you take your textbook, your exercise 1.4, take first question division, you can find it. First and second, look, you find its answer yourself. The next, second question, look, verify a divided b plus c not equal to a divided b. Then a divided bracket a divided c. Verify. Verify. A divided b plus c not equal to a divided b plus a divided c. Here value is given. A is equal to 12, b is equal to negative 4, c is equal to 2. Verify this equation. Look, a divided b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Here values are given. Look, a is equal to 12, b is equal to negative 4 and c is equal to 2. These numbers we can apply the place of a, b, c. Look, what is the value of a? Divided. First, a. Value of a is equal to 12. So, place of a which number we write? 12. Then next, division side. Then bracket. B which number? Negative 4. Then C is positive 2. Bracket close. not equal to. Then a 12 divided by negative 4 bracket close plus bracket a which number 12 divided by c which number 2. We apply the values. Is it clear? How to apply the values? Then next we can solve. Look, this left hand side and right hand side. Then left hand side look, first 12 divided by, then here bracket will come. First we solve inside the bracket. So negative 4 plus 2. Negative 4 plus 2 which number? Negative 4 plus 2. This negative and this positive. So its answer is negative 2. Is it clear? Then not equal to 12 divided by negative 4. This is first. 12 divided by negative 4. 12 divided by 4. How many times 4 in 12? 3. Then positive divided by negative. So which answer is negative 3. Then which sign is plus. Then next look 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. These two numbers are positive. So answer is how many 2's in 12? 6. Positive divided by positive, answer positive. Then next this side, right hand side look. 12 divided by negative 2, which number? 12 divided by negative 2. What is how many 2's in 12? 6. Then next you look. This is positive and negative. Then positive number divided by negative number. Which sign will come? Negative 6. Then right side we get negative 6. Then left side we get negative 6 and the right side look negative 3 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 6 which number? Positive 3. Then negative 6 not equal to 3. Then therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Then we can write therefore A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Is it clear? Then next question look, your question page number 26, question number 6. Then in a class test, positive 3 marks are given for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Then here Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Find out how many questions she attempted incorrectly. And Mohini scored negative 5 marks in this test. So she has got 7 correct answer. Then how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? How many questions she attempted incorrectly? And same as Radhika, how many questions attempted incorrectly? How to find out? Here look, marks for correct answer. First we can write question number 6. Marks for correct answer. What is correct answer mark? 3. Then marks for incorrect answer. Incorrect answer negative 2. Incorrect answer. -2. Then if our answer is correct, we go to how many mark? 3 mark. And our answer is incorrect. Then incorrect answer how many mark? -2 mark. Here look, Radhika scored how many marks? Radhika scored 20 marks and she has got 12 correct answer. Then Radhika scored marks. Then marks scored by Radhika how many? 20 marks. How many correct answer? She has got 12 correct answer. So marks scored for how many answer correct? 12 correct. 12 correct answer is equal to 1 correct answer. How many mark? 3 mark. So 12 correct answer how many? 12 into 3, 36 marks. Then marks scored for 12 correct answer 36 mark. So then her incorrect answer how many marks scored for incorrect answer? Marks scored for incorrect answer. Here how many mark she scored? She scored 20 mark. This total marks minus correct answers mark. So look here, 20 marks. This is a total mark. She got to Radhika got to how many mark? 20 marks. And his correct answer, her correct answer how many mark he scored? She scored by 36 mark for correct answer. So total marks minus 36 marks. Is it clear? Then is equal to what is 20 minus 36? Then here we use subtraction rule. Look, 20 plus negative 36. What is answer? Negative 60. She got negative 60 mark. Negative 16 for incorrect answer. So how many incorrect question she attempted incorrectly? Number of questions attempted incorrectly, she got to negative 16. Number of questions attempted incorrectly. Here incorrect questions mark negative 60. Then we know here incorrect. Then marks for one incorrect question how many mark? Negative 2. So divided by negative 2. Negative 16 divided by negative 2, what is answer? 8. So how many questions she attempted incorrectly? She attempted 8 questions. Then Radhika attempted 8 questions for incorrectly. Radhika attempted 8 questions in incorrectly. Is it clear? The next question. Mohini scored how many mark? Negative 5 mark in this test. So she got 7 correct answer. Here Radhika attempt 8 questions incorrectly and next Mohini scored marks scored by Mohini. How many marks scored by Mohini? Negative 5 marks. Then marks scored for how many correct answer hai Mohini? Marks scored for how many correct answer? 7. 7 correct answer. Then 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Then next number of question attempt incorrectly. Number of then mark scored for incorrect answer. How many marks scored for incorrect answer? Scored for incorrect answer. How to find? Here we find total mark minus mark scored for correct answer. Here also we can do total mark minus. What is the total mark? Negative 5 minus minus 21. What is answer? What is answer? Subtraction rule. Negative 5 plus negative 21 means additive inverse of second number. Add with first number. So answer, what is answer? Is equal to 26. The next number of question. Attempt Mohini incorrectly. How many question attempted? Here look, negative 5 plus negative 26. Then is equal to negative 26 divided by which number? Negative 2 is equal to 30. So Mohini attempt how many questions? 30 incorrect question. Mohini (13 questions) incorrectly. Then is it clear? Then okay, thank you.